friends, in last class we have discussed the chapter tissue of 9th standard. In this class we will continue the another topic of the tissue, that is epidermis. You all know that epidermis means it is the outermost layer of the cell. What is epidermis? Outermost layer of cell. In all the parts of plant, the outermost layer will be epidermis. If we see the epidermis of leaf, in leaf, the outer epidermis and inner epidermis is present. If we take the transverse section of leaf, it contains the chloroplast cells. Along with the chloroplast cells, in between the outer epidermis and inner epidermis, the small pore is present. That small pore is called what? Stomata. Stomata is present in between the two epidermal layer of the leaf. Here the stomata means the small pore present between the epidermal layers of leaf, which is covered by guard cells. If we see the stomatal pore, the stomatal pore is covered by guard cells. These guard cells are kidney-shaped structures or bean-shaped structures. Along with the guard cells, it contains the chloroplast cells. If we see the function of stomata, stomata helps in exchange of gases. What is the function of stomata? Helps in exchange of gases. Another major function of the stomata is transcription. Here the transcription process means some amount of water will be lost in the plant in the form of water vapor. That process is called transcription. Transcription means loss of water. Loss of water in the form of water vapor in plants. That process is called transpiration. Transpiration is the one method of excretory product which is liberated by the plants. If we see that opening and closing of stomata, mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. This is the stomatal pore. Stomatal pore is covered by guard cells. When these guard cells absorb the water, they become bulged. When these guard cells are bulged, the stomatal pore gets open. Then this is the structure of open stomata. When the shrinkage of guard cells takes place, if the shrinkage of guard cells takes place, that stomatal pore gets closed due to the shrinkage of these guard cells. This is the mechanism of opening and closing stomata. When guard cells absorb water, they become bulged and stomatal pore gets opened. When the guard cells shrinkage takes place, that leads to the closing of stomata. This is the small brief introduction of epidermis of leaf. Thank you.